Hey guys, it's Kimmy here. Today we're going to do a video. This video is changing your slime to sticky and to unsticky, and yeah. So as you can see, mine is too sticky, and it's like very cool. Okay, so the ingredients you would really need is only one perfume, and that's it. Mine is getting sticky, so you will need a perfume. I got this for Christmas. I actually love it. Okay. So I add perfume. You need to spray it very generously. Not add too much slime, too much perfume on it. Because if you add too much perfume, it will get, I think it will get sticky. Mine's slime is getting sticky, so I think I have too much. Do you think okay, I want to see in the comments if I bought the slime or did I make this slime? Okay? If I made this slime, well, you say I made the slime. And please put #KimKimmy. And if you don't put #KimKimmy, you don't get a shout out, so yeah. So keep on playing with your slime and just do this. Ugh. Okay, don't put too much, which I just did. It's getting a little bit sticky. Ah, so cool. And if you if it doesn't work for you, I think you can put other perfumes, other perfumes, because that will be great, I think. And if it doesn't work with all the perfumes you use, then it might not work for you. Okay, I'm not going to say it to you. I actually bought the slime. And when I bought the slime, it came with no stickiness. Because, you know why it's sticky right now? because I left it like forever under this thing right here. And I was like, where's my other slime? I'm trying to find it. And I found it when I was doing a Musical.ly video. And then when I touched it, it was so sticky. It was like so sticky. It has been sticking to everything. The wall, my hands, my face, my hair, my shirts. Like really, it has been sticking everywhere. I'm a Barbie girl. I don't like Barbies anymore. I used to. I don't like them anymore. Oh my gosh, it's sticking to me. So bye people, thank you for watching this video, how to make slime unsticky. And I just did it, so bye. The heck, something just